YouTube channel, and if you're here for the first time, kindly know that I bring you updates on the crypto and blockchain technology and various ways that you can make money online through mining apps, and as well as coins that you can purchase for gains in the nearest future with potential and great utilities. So for today, guys, I'm going to be talking about the Catstar because there have been an update from my last video. And of course, if you don't know what Catstar is about, down in the description you see links to my previous video. So here, the first news I'm going to be showing you guys is that the global members of Catstar has exceeded 1.4 million. Well, that is great news because as the global members, it increases the valuation of cards. Respected user, good news. We are going to read through it just for a while. Catstar has more than 1.4 million cumulative members worldwide. It's an exciting time for cards valuations to rise again. With the increase of global active members, the commercial value of the platform will also increase accordingly. As the only token on the platform, the valuation potential of cards will also increase simultaneously. After the adjustment, the asset valuation in your account will increase. Please check carefully. The next small goal is 1.5 million active members. Let us work hard together. The third batch of KYC. Remember, the third batch, this is very important because every 2 months or a month they release the next batch of KYC where you'll be needing a couple amount of spaceships and invited team members. Sorry, guys. So with that, they say the next small goal is 1.5 million active members. Let us work hard together. The third batch of KYC certification application is about to be full. Cards who are interested in KYC certification are requested to complete certification in time. Thanks to cards around the world for their support and promotion. And this update was as of May 15, 2023. I've been up for a while, but I will keep bringing you updates as much as possible. And here is the second update, which came on the 22nd of this month, a few days back. Good news, since the launch of Catstar welfare activity in May, it has received active participation from cats and cards. The platform decided to continue to launch exclusive welfare activity 2 in May. The specific rules of the activity as follows. Activity time 12 May 2022 to 31st of May, which of course it has ended. So hopefully there'll be coming up another one because of this event has ended and there'll be no need reading all through. If another one comes up, I'll check regularly while I mine regularly. If you're yet to join, down in the link you see my down in the description you're going to see my link. Do well to join the Catstar mining, and you can join my WhatsApp community as well to stay updated on stuff that I perform, such as testnets and as well as trades. See you in my next video. And if my channel is something that, if crypto in general is something you might as well be interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up, or if you don't like the video you can leave me the thumbs down as well. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Voila.